So initially we started with the VEX Robotics competition, targeting high schools. But what we've learned through the years is by high school, many of the kids have made up their mind that they're not good at math and science. So the VEX IQ design system is really meant to get to those kids before they've actually made their decisions that they're not good at math and science.
What the students learn in the VEX IQ Challenge makes the science class, the physics class, the math class, it makes it interesting to them. It makes it a actual real-life application where they see the things that they're learning and they already know that, oh, that stuff does matter.
The Robotics Education and Competition Foundation is excited about VEX IQ because of the engagement that it drives with young students, elementary school students, in the areas of science and math. We need more math and science excited, engaged students.
The reason to bring VEX IQ into the classroom is because of that engagement. Science and math and engineering and the ability to fail and make something better and make it work and understand why are all the kind of skills we want kids to learn. But you need an affordable, accessible, and an easy-to-use tool while still being really fun and engaging to get that done. And there's nothing on the planet like VEX IQ to do that.
So I'm all about designing great products, but we have to use the full utilization of the company and our resources worldwide and our logistics to make it affordable and accessible, just like we did the VEX Robotics design system.
So with VEX IQ, we really wanted to lower the barrier to entry. So even a family can do this on their own. And really, with the starter kits, you get everything you need to get the full experience. We really walk you through step by step, and then we leave you with a functional robot that you can expand upon in any way you'd want.
The VEX IQ kit is the leader of its kind because we have so many ports you can plug into. When you look at the VEX IQ brain, there's 12 ports. They're inputs or outputs. Up to 12 motors, up to 12 sensors, or any combination thereof, so your creations can be as small or as big as you want to. It's plastic, it's snapped together. I can build simple mechanical systems or devices, or just have fun building, and then I can add shaft and gears and motors to make things work and move, and then I can also add sensors and motion to it, so I have a full autonomous or teleoperated or hybrid robot.
One of the things that we're most proud of in terms of VEX Robotics and the VEX IQ Challenge is the accessibility and affordability of these kits. So, lots of American schools have been able to invest in this sort of platform, but schools all around the world have the funding to be able to put this place, invest in VEX Robotics, to invest in the futures of their country and their young people.
It's just exciting to see the kind of technology that they can absorb. You think about Iron Man, the kind of technology that went into a movie like that, and then you look at these kids and you listen to them talk and you hear the technology, and you could be talking to kids out of college, you could be talking to professional engineers, you can't tell the difference between their language and us. The level of detail and understanding they have about complex problems is baffling, and we're talking about fourth graders.
I think we're seeing right now, out in the world, that having a STEM background is super important, and no matter what you end up doing, being able to work on a team is really important. So getting the students doing that at such a young age and then watching them grow as teams, I think just really sets them up well for the future.
The VEX IQ Challenge is an opportunity for students to see robotics, to see what's available in STEM education, and to also see what the kids are doing in high school and college and beyond. And we want students to realize this is exciting, it's fun, it's an opportunity that's out there, and that they can learn these things at that age.
Just the sheer number of mechanical parts lend themselves to all kinds of learning and creativity. It's got great value, it's got great accessibility, it's easy to use, and the sky's the limit because of the power of what's inside.